sister. You're welcome.
Greetings, my brother.
Weaving Center. Yeah, as you've been here always, this is our product. This is what we weave all the time. And as the other time you came here, Ibora Free, now we want to sell our Kente product to the whole wide world for them to know what we are manufacturing now. So it's good you are back here. You are welcome, my big brother.
Excellent, excellent. Family, we're going to give a nice little tour of all the different variations of the world famous Kente cloth. Kumasi has always been a very, very special place. I mean, when you're talking about culture, you're talking about crafts, you're talking about this, the essence of this culture itself. Kumasi just rings out, you know? Ashanti land.
He's been leaving for 20 years.
And what we're giving you, family, is a good view of the weaving machine, homemade, right?
Yeah, right. Customized slippers from the Kente product.
Yep, these are made with handmade, not from a Chinese factory.
Exactly, handmade. You can see the young man in there doing his thing.
And family, as you see the layouts, it's an intricate system that was taught from the ancestors and brought to modern day time.
Yeah.
What you got going on, Mr. Miss Sass?
Because of the energy around the Kente cloth and the symbology of the Kente, the weaves, and the family here are so beautiful. Oh, look at the book bags, Bamani, with the Bolanfini and the Kente cloth on them.
Oh, you like you're getting your shopping on?
Yeah, I may have to go.
Can't
back
help it,
there.
right?
Are we gonna go to the bank again?
Absolutely. We go to the bank until we break it, like our sister did last night.
I know, I did. I took my money out. There was no more money left, but I didn't get that much. It was just at the end of the day.
At the end of the day.
We're gonna go to one soon.
Yes, doing before lunch.
Yeah, Bonwire, the Ashanti region. Kente cloth is happening.
No design, then we made the
Perfect.
It's a different kind of weave, isn't it?
What you know about this, Sass?
Well, this is the Giyami symbol, the one that I'm wearing on my ring, and I know that this is the first of the Adinkwa, the language of the Adinkwa. I know that it means put God first. God is omnipotent, omniscient, and omnipresent. I fear none except God. This is the first, the Giyami. Oh, what's this one here?
Yes, Sister Carolyn, how's it going?
Oh, this one too.
Are you enjoying your view? Excellent, excellent. Family, this place is incredible. Just brother, man, enjoying it? Yeah. Kente for life.
Excuse me. Excuse me too. That's what I say. Excuse me. Excuse me.
I'm saying.
Do the advert.
Right, just you smiling, man. You got all smiles, man. Why are you so excited this morning? You just do you enjoy watching people shop? Because that's what you're doing. Because they don't like you and I shopping, but we enjoying ourselves watching people shop.
Trying to get some slippers for my friends and myself. Isn't this beautiful?
That's too little.
I don't want to look because I can't. I don't want to look because I can't.
Let me get this is the official shirt, family, the official shirt. Big up to the Bonwire Kente Weavers Association. His brothers been keeping this tradition for life. You know what I mean, family? This is works that was passed down from the ancestors, and these brothers and sisters over the years have just brought it to life and keep it going. We keep it going. And now we're just doing this wonderful shopping. That way we can reculturalize our life, reculturalize our energy, reconnect to the roots. Yes, my good brother, you have anything wonderful to say to the people?
Yeah. Hello. Good morning to everyone. This is Gideon. I'm talking from Bonwire, and I'm in the room of Kente. So over here we call it Kente Center. So when you come over here, you see a lot of stars over here, and unexpected things that you haven't seen before. And everything that you be doing over here is wonderful, amazing. So if you say what I'm saying is not true, you can come into challenge and see whatever that you see here, you see today, whatever I'm telling you is true. We have a lot of stars over here. The Kente, different types of stars, and everything over here is made out of our hands. There's no machine that we use to do anything over here. Everything you see over here is made out of our hands. That's our traditional cloth that we've been seeing. And we copied this from our ancestors, our forefathers who have been gone forever. They taught us how to do everything over here. So whatever that you will see from here is made out of our hands. That's Kente and different types of cloth. You have Kente mat cloth, a lot of stuff over here. In the Kente, you get different types of Kente. You get double weave, single weave, and triple weave. And everyone has its own price. You go with different prices because they are different types of design. And every design over here has its own meaning, and the colors too. If you look around, you see to it that you get different types of colors over here. Every color has a meaning. Including the Ghana colors that you will see, that the traditional colors, that the red, gold, green, black. Every color that I've mentioned represents a name or a meaning. The black is our color. The red is the blood of our forefathers that they used to fight for our land. And the green that you've been seeing is the forest. And the yellow that you will see, the gold. That's our gold, the mineral source that we have right here. So that's the meaning of the color, our traditional color, the red, gold, green. That's the meaning of that.
Yes, my brother, appreciate the cultural energy of just explaining the wonderful energy of where we are, the famous Kente Weaving Village. So family, the saga continues.
Thank you.